Delipad. God fuck it. So frustrating. Very much a high-speed track for this leg. That's pretty fucking sure. Already switched to a 3.5 setup on my fastest hyperdash. Still have 2mm brake, so kung need palitan, probably do it the next lap. So it's on best batteries, best hyperdash. Or if I have to change it to a Mach dash, go for a 3.3 setup, blue sa likod. That's it. We'll double check.
Ang bigyan na naman yung car control speaker. It's controlling the control. Next, for the race progress, you will take the progress, you will take the coordinator to use your car. And point is given based on your activity. After that, all points will be activated. All points will be activated. Thanks to you. You have 5 points, second place, 8 points, third place, 2 points,
Mabawas yan.
1 point.
Dilipad. So, first round, I went down a gear 4-1. Then I moved all brakes to the tiptoe of Everplate. So I get more braking from them. Or let's see, I think this might be still too fast. I don't know. I think 4-1 is a massive jump from 4-1. This is 4-1 is a massive jump from 3.5. So let's check na lang. That's right. There you go.
Yung 108 oh. Yung pinakakaliwa. Ready?
What happened? Nangyari? What the fuck happened?
Pa rin ako.
Fucking burnt. God fucking burnt it. Yeah. This idea did not work as intended. Lang. Burnt it. Frustrating. Front bumper failed. I have to replace. Ito nga talaga yung problema. I have to replace it with a new one. It almost burned a fucking motor. So frustrating.
Bibili kang bagong bumper.
2 minutes.
Yeah, I have to.
Check-in for inspection. Let's go. 26 to 13. 2 minutes.
It almost burned a fucking motor. Motor. So annoying. Yeah. Because yung kagaya sa sabi ko kanina, niluwa, tapos nag-stuck sa gulong. So it's either I'm gonna buy a new bumper or lagyan ng stopper. Either of that two. Right now, the safest bet is ang safest bet is buy a new bumper. Actually, nangyari nito during testing. Kaso yun nga, I ignored it kasi isang beses lang nangyari. Eh ngayon nangyari. So, fuck me.
The final call out.
Did not see what happened. Walang nangyari. Fuck me. Sumabit.
Good morning. Alan Edson. Hans Bataman.
I should not have put this forward. Tanga-tanga. Alright, last attempt. Last try to score points. Last try to score points. My God.
Okay, open class. Fifth round scores is now posted online.
Puta, pag 8 points to, wala na akong chance.
Racers, if you see na may
Wala pa rin akong chance.
sa previous round,
Wala pa.
feel free to come here para pumunta siya. This is your
Oy, 5 pa rin. May chance
this is your
ka.
last time para
Kailangan lang manalo, pre.
diretso tayo later sa quarterfinals.
Laging nasa... kaya pala.
Eliza.
Ba yan? Nahihirapan naman. Aragon. Bawi next year. Wala eh, nasira yung front bumper ko originally.
Okay na.
Kakainis. Bawi next year.
Yes, bawi next year.
Bawi next year. Prepare na ako sa mami nila Grace. Two points. Uwi na tayo. I finished.
Yeah.
I did the bare minimum. Alright, but next year na ulit.